up, guys? Mike here. There has been a lot of rumors and speculations going on the past week that Lucid Motors is planning to go via SPAC with Churchill Capital. Now, this could be one of the biggest EV plays ever in the SPAC zone. So this could be absolutely huge. And I'm going to go over all the information you guys need to know on whether you should be deciding to buy Lucid Motors or right now CCIV Churchill Capital, if it is a good value risk variation for you guys to go and dive deep into this, or it might be better to wait for some announcement to make this official and then get into this, because there's a lot of speculation going on, there's a lot of rumors going on, and if you do not be careful, you can be burnt severely, really bad, because right now the stock is trading around 1850-ish, and if the SPAC, the rumor or any speculation that's going on right now comes out to be false, this stock can plunge back down to $10, and a lot of people could get burnt big time, especially for retail investors, because these institutional investors have a lot faster way of getting the results and the information. So a lot of retail investors could get burnt really bad. So in this video, I'm gonna go over everything you guys need to know, how to prepare, and what your upward potential rewards can be, and also your downside as well, so you can be very safe and you play this correctly and you don't make any mistakes to lose too much money into this stock that we're gonna do. So anyways, let's not waste any more time. Make sure you guys always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel. So with that said, let's begin. Yeah. So Lucid is right now one of the largest EV companies out there to be rumored to be going via public, via SPAC. And it's right now in talks with Churchill Capital to do this merger. We don't know if it is true or not. This could be all rumors, and it is possibly to be a false rumor, and it could just be very speculative. So please be careful. Over this past week, Churchill Capital, CCIV, has been up over an 84% gain. Now, this is getting a lot of retail and possibly some institutional investors' attention. So I can't say that this is all just retail investors such as you and I putting our money in this. This has to be some kind of huge institutionals like banks or hedge fund managers that are pouring their money into this, because it's not possible that retail investors only are getting huge returns on this. I'm going to show you guys the volume has been absolutely insane. 108 million on Monday, another 112 on Tuesday, another 94 on Wednesday, and even on Thursday 140, and Friday ending with 184 million in volume. This is absolutely impossible that only retails are getting it. Now just know, guys, this everything you see here is pure speculation and just rumors. This is nothing, no deal has been proven or announced yet, and I just worry that a lot of people might get burnt big time if this deal does not get announced or goes through. So neither Lucid or CCIV Churchill Capital has confirmed or acknowledged or denied or left any comments or statements saying that this deal is going to be going through, right? They haven't said anything. They haven't given any information. The news just broke out on Monday, January 11th on Bloomberg. While this could be rumored and all and speculative, there's could be some truth to this as well, because Wall Street Journal and Bloomberg have pretty solid reputations to protect, so they wouldn't just post something off some bad reason. There could be some truth to it, or we wouldn't get volumes over hundreds of millions of dollars. All right, so anyways, I just want you to guys know that this could be very dangerous. A lot of institutional trades have been definitely pouring in. Some information may have been leaked to Lucid or Churchill Capital to bring them publicly to the market via SPAC. So just know this might not happen, and I want you guys to be careful if it does not happen, so you guys do set some stop losses and not reduce all your gains or lose a lot of money from this. This SPAC has some great track record, and it's led by Michael Klein, and he's an ex-Citi Group banker with a lot of connections, so he's been able to bring tons of money and tons of investors into the game. He's been able to raise a $2.5 billion in shell companies to take these companies like Lucid public. So he has some great track records, and it pretty much speaks for itself. As we can see, Michael Klein is no stranger to the SPAC network. He has brought a bunch of companies via SPAC like Clarivate, sorry, I don't know how to say it, Multiplan, and all of these are multi-billion-dollar companies that Churchill Capital One and Churchill Capital 3 have brought in. These are not some small $1 to $2 billion deals. These are all huge companies with very legit capitals over $10 to $20 billion. Also have other few SPACs that he's in talks with taking public, like Skillsoft, as well as he announced his CCIV 4 and CCIV 5, and he already has raised over a $2.07 billion just last year, the most of all of his SPAC deals. And this is the one we're going to be talking about that he might be merging with Lucid. Lucid is expected to be worth about $15 billion, a massive deal. And Lucid is also backed by the Saudi Arabia Foreign Wealth Fund. So there's a lot of confidence and credibility to this company. The thing is that CCIV did plan to buy DirecTV, and I believe they may have abandoned this deal to move on with Lucid. Maybe this deal may still be moved on with, and the deal could happen or not, but we don't know if the deal is going to be occurring with Lucid or it's going to be still continuing with DirecTV. That's the thing. We have to wait for some major announcement to come out this week. 2020 has been pretty crazy year for the EV SPAC market, such as markets like Nikola came out, and then Fisker came out, and then Hyliion came out, and now we have Faraday coming out. So this could be a huge opportunity for Lucid as well. Lucid could be thinking of taking advantage of all this hot market going on with investors pouring money into the SPACs. And so anyways, I'm just saying this could be a possibly definite rumor that might come true. Now, in the thinking of whether Tesla and NIO should be afraid of Lucid, now there's a lot of people saying that this is the high competitor to Tesla, and it is the next Tesla, right? Could be the next Tesla, and I think this will be a more of a high-end, more expensive models that are going to be competing with Tesla. Pretty much Lucid is definitely targeting the luxury end of the market. Take, for example, like BMW and comparing it to like Ferrari and Lamborghini. And this is just going to be like, well, how we could compete these two companies. They are the competitors to the Model S of Tesla. And just know that the CEO is an ex-Tesla engineer who works specifically on the Model S. So it's pretty clear that they are definitely competing with Tesla. Tesla is definitely a much larger business than just their Model S and their cars. They have the solar power energy side of the business and a lot more. So Tesla will still be ahead of a competitor, but I think this could be a luxury end to Tesla and its Model S type. So we could see some competition going on with the stock on these two if this merger does occur. Also, guys, Tesla has announced that soon they'll have a $25,000 Tesla in 2022. So Tesla is not just doing high ends, they're also doing a lot of low ends cars, and this could be a huge competition with Tesla anyways, regardless. Now, the cheapest model for Lucid is actually the Air Pure, and it starts around $69,000 and it goes all the way up to $161,000 for the higher end model. I don't think they're going to be in much competition with the $25,000 Tesla. So Lucid is now on the market, is not yet on the market, and the earliest cars they're going to be releasing is going to be in 2022, which is next year. Now, Tesla is working on changing the Model S, so definitely be on the lookout for that. They do have some plans on changing it. If you're going to ask me whether it is worth it to buy into this, pure gamble, pure speculative bet, and a good calculated bet that if the rumor is fully true, it could be very rewarding. But the volume coming in pretty much speaks for itself. The stock has been up over an 84% in the last week. And now it's just sitting around $18.48. This is all moving on rumor. This could explode way more if it is true. It can go up to maybe even $50 to $100 stock very soon if the announcement of the merger does come out to be true. the pretty much the bad downside to this is a 84% loss. So if you haven't bought yet, just be careful, because this could go down all the way back to $10. And anyone who is already in it, please be careful as well. There's still a lot of money to be made if the rumor does come out to be true. So all of this is definitely up to you. But whatever you do choose, just have in mind that this could all just come down and destroy you. So the risk tolerance is definitely going to be up to you. You could be making a lot of money if this stock continues to rally and go up if the rumor does come out to be true, or you could lose a ton of money. The stock will definitely go down back to around $10 a share and trade there, and you could lose an 84% investment overnight just like that. But the volume should speak for itself. There's been a lot of volume coming in. This cannot be just pure retail investors. It has to be institutional investors as well. But just know these institutions have a lot faster computers and databases, and they get access to these articles way faster than any of us, and they could dump their shares just like that much faster than you can sell yours. So definitely have some stop losses in place, because if all of this goes down the drain, so does your money, and I do not want to see that happen to you guys. So definitely be cautious. If you haven't bought already, I really would encourage you to just wait for some news or announcement to come. If you have already have some shares, definitely put in some stop losses or take some gains while you can. If you doubled your money already, maybe you should just take out half and let the rest ride, at least play with play money. There's nothing wrong with that. To take profits, you could always also use options to hedge your leverage your downfall. This could all be speculative and purely rumored. This may not happen, but the volume definitely should be speaking for itself. So I want you guys to be very careful going into this hype, this SPAC of CCIV. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube can alert you when my next video comes out. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I try to post anything I buy or sell on Instagram, so make sure to follow me there. And guys, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Let me know what questions you guys have on the specific stock, or if you'd like me to do a video on a specific stock, leave a comment below and let me know. And right now, WeBull has a promotion where they are giving 4 free stocks, 1 for just signing up to use their platform, and 3 additional stocks when you make a deposit of $100 or more. WeBull will give you 4 stocks with a minimum value of $8 all the way up to $1,600. So check my link in the description below for that. If you want another free stock, FirstTrade gives out pretty good stocks. Check out that one. And if you guys want another free stock, Robinhood gives out free stocks as well. Check all the links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.